I'm Aaron Tucker, and this is how to wear a bandana as a tie. A bandana can't necessarily be worn in lieu of a tie, A, because it's going to be too thick, especially if you're wearing it under a collared shirt. You're going to ruin the look of anything that's going to be a little bit dressier because you're going to have too much under your neck and your collar is not going to lay properly. But if you like to wear a bandana just as an added accessory for a pop of color or, just for whatever reason, then try it with the t-shirt or something with the crew neck that's not going to be too restrictive and too much right around your neck and under your chin. Take it around your neck, make sure you have enough room that's even on both sides, and then you're going to cross it and just bring the two ends through each other, like you're creating a bow or a knot. So you will actually create a knot from there. Once you have the two ends through each other, you want to twist them through each other again, creating a knot. That way the bandana will stay around your neck. This is a cool look if you have a longer bandana and you want to do it with a button-up shirt or a denim shirt, for example, of course, to keep in line with Western style or those type of trends. But if you just want to do it with the t-shirt, any type of bandana will work, any colors, it's all your choice.